the NBA is like to win titles.
When you have a guy like Juwan Howard who struggled for 18 or 19 or 59 years, however many years it's been, but so happy to see him get rewarded with that title.
He's celebrating on the bench. So happy. It has been not your normal 2 weeks of development. Meanwhile, you talk about Howard and Bob McAdoo hugging LeBron James. Juwan Howard's 39 years old. And you spent, obviously, in coaching, you spent time around him. You find it possible not to root for him. He plays great positions, different spots. His role is diminished, but not his position. He's going to get an NBA ring in his 18th season.
And I want one smile from Erik Spoelstra before the end of this. This is an incredible accomplishment for him.
Ball knocked out of bounds. What a satisfying moment it has to be for Spoelstra. I mean, the second guessing that went on. People calling him, maybe he wasn't the right guy for the job. Well, you can finally smile and relax. Knowing him will only be for a couple of days, Ted. And then he'll get right back to work preparing for next year.
They should lock the office for the next month.
Final minute of the final game of the 2012 NBA Finals.
I love to see the joy on players' faces over there. The unbridled joy. It's a remarkable thing. They have all the fame and the money, and yet the accomplishment of being the best at what you do in any one year brings incredible joy.
What a difference a year makes. 2011 had such a bitter ending, making their celebration all that much sweeter. And there's the smile. When LeBron James caps off an MVP regular season with a magnificent playoff run and an extraordinary performance in the finals, no doubt he'll be named the Finals MVP. We'll give him a picture coming up in a little bit as the shot clock is turned off. The Miami Heat are once again NBA champions. LeBron James captures that elusive title he so desperately coveted.